We go to our coverage of the coronavirus. As the supply of the coronavirus vaccine increases, vaccination sites here in the valley are expanding their hours. Getting the medicine is getting a little bit easier at all of the big sites. Hector Mejia live this morning with details on these new hours. Hector, good morning.
Good morning, John. The Las Vegas Convention Center here right behind me is one of the 3 large locations that now have extended hours, and this is going to help those people who are usually busy during the middle of the day, possibly with a 9 to 5 work schedule. So we have the new schedules for you. Starting today, appointments here at the Las Vegas Convention Center are open until 5:30 p.m. for those who are eligible. It's pushed out to 6 p.m. at Cashman Center in downtown, and over at the Southern Nevada Health District main site, they start in 30 minutes at 7 a.m. Health officials are trying to clear up some misconceptions about the vaccine that are still floating out there. Number one, you will not have to pay an out-of-pocket cost to get the vaccine, even if you are asked for your insurance card. And number two, people will not be turned away if they do not have a Nevada ID. An ID is required, though, so the dose can be reported. During yesterday's COVID-19 mitigation task force phone call, officials went over some of the big challenges they've been facing.
The volume, the magnitude of really trying to offer a vaccination to every single adult in the state, I think has never been done before, as we know. I think that is definitely the most difficult aspect. We've worked really hard on, communication.
Across the state, nearly 18% of all Nevadans have gotten at least 1 dose of the COVID vaccine. And at this point, the state has not announced plans to expand eligible groups. Currently, it's still for those 65 and older, plus those in frontline healthcare and community support roles. And if you have any questions and you want to talk to a human being, we all have a lot of questions about the vaccine. There is a 24/7 call center. That number to call is 211. I called earlier this morning and someone answered the phone right away. Reporting live this morning, Hector Mejia, 8 News Now.